Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.
A look back at the last year, according to the DEA, as we ride through the streets of Detroit with Special Agent in Charge Orville Green.
Fentanyl continues to be the moneymaker. Fentanyl continues to be the challenge for us.
Specifically, fake prescription pills laced with fentanyl. Last year, across the country, the DEA seized 380 million deadly doses.
That is more than the population of the United States.
6 out of 10 pills analyzed by the DEA contains a fatal dose. The risk played out in a recent indictment leveled by the U.S. Attorney's Office following an investigation into a deadly batch of the drug circulating the Detroit area, leading to 8 overdoses and 6 deaths. From the indictment,
It was clear that these folks were looking to purchase crack cocaine, not fentanyl.
The DEA-led investigation launched after an overdose in Dearborn Heights, culminating in charges this month against Melvin Triplett and Shamar Moore. The case currently in federal court. Green says they can be tough to tackle.
It's important to understand that they're not easy to charge because you need the cooperation of the folks who have the addiction issues.
A new trend the agency is monitoring: the rise in use of a relatively easy to get animal tranquilizer called Xylazine, known on the streets as Tranq.
We have seen Xylazine within our field division, so within Ohio and Detroit.
It's not approved for human use. The danger amplified when cut with fentanyl. Plus, it's not an opioid.
It's not responsive to Narcan. So if someone ODs with Xylazine, on Xylazine, all the Narcan in the world is not going to get you back.
Reporting in Detroit, Jessica Dupnack, Fox 2.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.